Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So I am back with my third class maths chapter number 1, number and numbers name. Okay, we have already covered 2 classes for this chapter and today this is our third class. Okay, so in my previous class I teach you about successor and predecessor of numbers, right? So today I am repeating that topic again. So what do you understood by the word successor? Successor of a number. As I told you, to find successor of a number, we need to add 1 in that number, add 1 in given number, right? For example, if the number is 23, and we want to find the successor of 23. So successor of 23 means next number of 23. To find next number means we have to add 1 in that number. So what will be the successor of 23? Successor of 23 will be 24. Right? So let's take one more number. If I want to find successor of 1099, so what will be the successor of this number? Successor of this number will be 1100. Okay? If you learn to read 4-digit numbers, you can easily write the successor of the number. Right? See, as I am reading this number, 1099. This number is 99, right? So 99, next number of 99 is 100. So successor of this number will be 1100. Okay? And one more thing I told you, which was predecessor. Predecessor of a number. So to find predecessor of a number, we need to subtract 1 from given number, right? We need to subtract 1 from given number. Suppose a number is given, that is 37, and I want to find the successor of 37. So what I need to do? I need to subtract 1 from 37, so I will get 36. In other words, we can say that to find predecessor. So what is the meaning of that? We can say that we need to find the number before 37 or before the given number. Okay? Suppose if we want to find successor of 20. Successor of 20. So successor of 20 will be 21. And if we want to find the predecessor of 20. So predecessor of 20 will be 19. Okay? I hope this is clear. Okay? Let's do some questions related to all the topics which we have studied till now. Okay, students? So let's start solving some question. So first question which I have taken is write all numbers between. Okay? We need to write all numbers which come between 1000 and 1004. Okay? This type of question you have studied in class 2nd also. That place numbers were small. This time numbers are of 4 digit, right? But the procedure is same. Numbers between 1000 and 1004. And we know counting also, right? So after 1000, can you tell me which number will come? After 1000, next number of 1000. Next number of 1000 will be 1001. Then 1002, then 1003, and next number of 1003 will be 1004. 1004 is already there, right? So numbers between 1000 and 1004 is 1001, 1002 and 1003. Okay? Let's solve one more question of this kind. Next question is 2231 and 2235. Okay? We know how to read these numbers. This number is 2000 2231. This is 2235. Okay, as you can see, first three digits are same, 223, there 223. Okay, only the difference is there at one's place. At one's place there is 1 and at one's place there is 5. And I think you all know counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, no? So you just no need to worry. You will just write the numbers like 2232, right? Because after 1 2 comes, so next number will be 2332. Okay, then 2000. Okay student, there will be 2200. By mistake I had written 3 there. This is 2232. This is 2233. Then 2234. And the next number will be 2235, which is already given there, right? So by following this method, you will write the numbers between two given numbers. Okay, and one question I am giving to you all. You write the numbers between these numbers. Okay, the numbers are 6659 and 6663. Okay, you need to write the numbers between 6659 and 6663. Okay students, you have to write all the numbers between these given numbers. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay students, so next question is, write the number which comes next to the given number. Okay, we have to write the number which comes next to the given number. It means I told you the number which comes next to the given number. It means we need to find the successor of these numbers. And I told you to find successor of a number. What we need to do? We need to add 1 in the given number, right? So here the number is, in first part, number is 4530. 4530. So which number comes next to this number? Right, 4531. So 4531. This is the answer of this question, right? Okay, let's move to the next part. 8346. Okay, 8346. So which number will come next to that number? The number will be 8347. Okay, 8347. Okay, next number is 8152. This part you will solve. Okay, you will pause the video and write these questions and solve this part. Okay students, okay, so let's move to the next question. The next question is, write the number which comes before the given number. Okay, we need to write the number which comes before the given number. And I told you number before the given number means predecessor of the number, right? And predecessor means, to find predecessor of a given number, what we need to do? We need to subtract 1 from the given number. We need to subtract 1 from the given number. So, to find predecessor or the number before the given number, we will find the answer by subtracting 1 from the given number, right? So, in this question, the number is 5637. Okay, the number is 5637. So which number will come before this number? The number will be 5637. 5636. Okay, 5636. Let us see the next one. 8910. Students, you can note one thing in all these questions, in successor or next number, before number. You can see that first two digits never change, right? First two digits never change. It means here is 45, then here is also 45. 83, 83. 56, 56. It means in this type of question, first two digits will never change. So first of all, we will write our first two digits. Okay? 89 is there, then 89 we have written. Now you read the next two digits together. It means the number formed by the next two digits. The next two digits make 10. Right? 10. And you can easily tell me which number will come before 10. Before 10, you know that the number comes is 9. Okay? So in this question, we will write not only 9, we will write 09. Why? Because two digits are there, na? So we need to write these two digits. So there will be 09. So our answer is 8909. Okay? Next one is 9810. And we need to write the number which comes before this number. Okay, this question you will solve in your notebook. Okay, so let us move to the next question. So the next question is, write the next three numbers for each of the given numbers. Okay, we need to write the next three numbers. It means we have to write the counting up to the next three numbers starting from these numbers. Okay, students. So first part is 7786, right? So 86, last two digit number, no? So after 86, which number comes? Right, 87. Okay, 7787. Then 7788. Then 7789. Okay. Next part is 6999. Okay, students. As you can see, this number is 999. And the next number of 999 is 1000. Right? It means if there is nothing, so this number will become 1000. If there is any digit, then this number will become next digit, right? So there the digit is 6, now it will become 7, okay? So 6999. Next number of 6999 is 7000. After 7000, next number will be 7001. Then next number will be 7002. Okay? These are the answer. Next question. Counting by twos, write numbers starting from. We have to counting by twos. What is the meaning of that? Counting by twos. Counting by twos means if I have written first number like 1. Okay. So counting by twos means every time we need to add 2 in the given number. Okay. If I start the number from 1, so according to that question, counting by twos, my next number will be 1 plus 2, 3. And then next number will be 3 plus 2, 5. Similarly, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9, and so on. Or we can say that we have to leave next number and then we need to write the next one of that. How? See, this number is 7786. Next number will be 7787. We will not write that because we need to counting by twos now. So after 87, the number will be 7788. You write that number. Then 7789, we will not write. Then 7790. Okay, so the next number will be 7790. And then the next number will be 7791, that we will not write. And next number will be 7792. Okay, I hope it is clear. We need to counting by twos. It means we need to add 2 every time. Or we can say that we need to leave one number and then we need to write the next number. Okay. So the next question is 4003. This part you will solve by your own. Okay. Just solve this question in your notebook. Okay, students. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is counting by fives, write numbers starting from. Okay, this time we need to counting by fives. It means we need to add 5 every time and then we will write our answers. So first part is 3505. So the next number will be, you will see the ones digit, and in ones digit you will add 5 every time. Okay, when you will see only ones digit, when the tens at tens place 0 is there, I will tell you. So let us solve first part. 3505. The number formed by last 2 digits is 05, that is 5. So you will add 5 in this number. 5 plus 5, 10. So the next number will be 3510. So this number is 10. You add 5 in this number. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the next number will be 3515. Now this number is 15. Add 15 in 5. Okay. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So the next number will be 3520. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us solve next part. This is 7913. So the number formed by last 2 digits is 13. So you add 5 in this number. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18, right? So the next number will be 7918. Now again add 5 in this number. 7918. 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So this number will be 7923. Now 23 plus 5 is equal to 28. So next number will be 7928. Okay, I hope it is clear, and you need to write these questions also. Okay, you can pause the video and write. Next question is counting by tens, write numbers starting from. This time you need to start counting by tens. Okay, this question is very simple. What we need to do here, we directly need to go to the digit at tens place. Okay, what is the digit at tens place here? 1. You will just write counting by this digit. The remaining digits will be same, and in some cases there can be little bit change. Okay, let's start it. 5210. So there is 1. Next time 2 will come, like 5220. Next time 3 will come, 5230. Next time after 3 which number comes? 4. So next time 5240. Okay, so this is the answer. You will just go to the tens place digit and write counting from there. Okay, similarly if here is 1, next time there will be 2, next time there will be 3, and next time there will be 4. Okay, so you solve this part. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next question. So the next question is counting by hundreds, write numbers starting from. Okay, this time we need to count by hundreds. So what will you do? You will go to the digit at hundreds place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So at 100 which digit is there? 3. So you will write counting starting from 3. The remaining digits will be same. Okay, so this time 3 is there. So next time 4 will be there. Okay, so 4458. Next time 5 will be there. 4558. Next time 6 will be there. 4658. Okay. Similarly, in this question, you will go to the digit at hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. At hundred place, which digit is there? 0. So after 0, what comes? 1. So we will write here 1. 7119. Next time after 1, which digit will come? 2. So 7219. Then after 2, what will come? 3. So 7390. Okay, students, these questions are, I think you are able to understand these questions. So next question is counting by thousands, write numbers starting from. Okay, this time we need to count by thousands. It means we will go to the digit at 1000 place. So digit at 1000 place is 4. After 4 in counting, which number comes? 5. So there will be 5307. After 5, which digit will come? 6. 6307. And after 6, which digit will come? 7. So 7307. You can see that we started counting from 1000. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Similarly, you will solve this part. You will start counting from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, students. So these were the questions for today. Okay. Remaining questions we will solve in our next class. Till then, take care and solve these questions and write these in your notebook. Okay.